Hey, if you wonder how you can charge your Redmi Buds 6 Play, then this is actually quite simple. So first of all, if you want to recharge your earbuds, you will have to for sure input them inside the case and close this case. And if you want to recharge charging case, you can actually use the cable, the same that you are using for your phone. So you can connect the USB-C cable right here, and this indicator will start blinking. Or no, it will just lights up. Take a look. When I'm gonna unplug this cable, the indicator disappear. So once you actually put it here, it will turns on. And if you wonder what kind of the charging brick you have to use, then you can use, for example, the charging brick from your phone. So I'm using the Xiaomi charging brick, the power adapter, and it works fine. But also right now I'm currently connected with my PC. So you can also charge them with your PC, with your laptop, with your game console, or even with your monitor if you have this kind of the port in your device. That will be all. Thanks for watching.